Hello, it's Saturday the 5th of May. In this video I'm going to look at the latest EuroMillions result. Now if you watched my last video then you would have seen that I predicted that number 42 was due to occur, and also if you'd use the same strategy as what I use, which is basically to put the same number on and put enough lines on the same number until it comes out in order to cover your losses and still make a profit. And that's what I did with number 42, which is why in draw 1107 when 42 did come out I won 30 quid. So it's not much, it could have been better if some of the other numbers I picked with it had come out as well. So I've not won anything since then. Now the current draw that we're up to on the EuroMillions is draw 1108. Now this is the strategy that I use. This is the one number op pick strategy. Basically you put one line on 6 times. If it don't come out then you put 2 lines on, then 3, 4 and so on and so on. Now in draw 1104 I predicted number 42, and in draw 1107 42 come out, and I was so certain that it was going to come out that I skipped ahead and put 3 lines on it, so I made quite a decent profit on that. Anyway, I'm just going to have a look at the most recent result on the chart. Now I know that it says machine 11, but I put it as machine 2 because I don't think there is a machine 11, to be honest, because there's 3 different machines. There's machine 1, machine 11 and machine 3. So I think that machine 11 should actually be machine 2. So that's what I write it down as. Anyway, I'm just going to update the chart. Okay, so that's updated. And now I'm going to analyse the latest result. So that's the chart at the moment. Well, as it was before the last draw. That's where the winning numbers were. So at first glance they don't seem to be outstanding. I narrow it down to the recent history. Then it seems that star number 9 was the most frequent in recent history, since the star numbers went up to 12, and that's where the main numbers are on the chart looking at the recent history. Now the machine that was used was machine 11, which basically means machine 2, and on the chart for machine 2, star number 9, most overdue, most frequent and most overdue for its frequency. So can't get more certain than that number's going to come out basically, and it did. So if we look at numbers paired with star number 9 as well, then nothing outstanding on that. If we expand it to include all the machines, still that don't give us much information. Set of balls used was set of balls 3. Yep, so narrow it down to set of balls 3. Star number 9. Look at, so star number 9 most frequent with set of balls 3 as well. So if we look at machine 2 and set of balls 3 together, still star number 9 most outstanding, but none of the other numbers most outstanding. At least number 23 near to the edge of the chart up there. So that's all I can tell you about the most recent draw from looking at that. So if we look at where everything is now, just looking at the recent history, then 3 of the numbers are most overdue. One that's most overdue for its frequency is main number 10. Most frequent in recent history is 17. And if we look at the star numbers, number 9 most frequent, most overdue, and most overdue for its frequency is star number 2. And it's most likely to be machine 2 again. Now with machine 2, number 10's most frequent. Star numbers situation's pretty much the same. If we look at full draw history for machine 2, then number 4 most overdue for its frequency. It would appear that number 49 is the most overdue. 30 and 28 most frequent. Now if we look at set of balls number 3, most overdue for its frequency is number 3. Most overdue number 8 by quite a lot. And most frequent 17 again. So I think maybe number 8 from that chart. So there's some numbers for you to think about for the next draw. I might put those on, or I might change them before then, I don't know. For the hot pick, for a 1 number hot pick, machine 2, set of balls 3, full draw history. Got most overdue 8, most frequent 28, and but most overdue for its frequency number 34. So maybe I might swap one of these numbers for 34. And pick that instead. So I'll leave it at that for now then. That concludes this video then. Bye for now.